Good morning, boys. I hope you all are ready with your books. And those who don't have the books, don't worry because I'll be uploading the content for you all so that you can go through the chapter. And the chapter that we're going to take is State in Western Desert. It's on page number 82. And in this chapter, particularly, we'll learn about food and culture of people of Rajasthan, tourist places in the region. Rajasthan means the land of rajas or kings. It is known for many brave kings, their deeds, and their interest in art and architecture. Life in a desert is very difficult, as you must have studied in your previous classes also about desert, because desert is a place in which there is scarcity of water. There is hardly any vegetation because of the lack of the water. Very few people live here. People mostly live around the oasis. Oasis, it's a place in desert where there is water and plants grow. So boys, from here this topic only we can learn that we have to save water, because see the kind of problem people face when they have lack of water. Nomads or Banjaras live in some part of the desert. They do not have a permanent home. They wander from place to place in search of pasture lands for their animals. Because these people, they don't have a permanent job, so they keep on moving from one place to another for their animals, because even the vegetation is very low over there, so they have to keep on moving just to feed themselves and their animals. Occupation. The main occupation of the people in desert is animal husbandry and agriculture. Animal husbandry is the branch of agriculture concerned with animals that are raised for meat, fiber, milk, eggs, or other products. It includes day-to-day care. They take care of the animals because their livelihood depends on animal husbandry. Livestock is very important to the Thar desert people. People rear cows, buffaloes, sheep, goats, camels, and oxen. A large number of cattle fairs are organized in the region. Thar region of Rajasthan is the biggest wool producing area in India. Rajasthan is famous for textiles, semi-precious stones, blue pottery and handicrafts, and for its traditional and colorful art. The craftsmen of Rajasthan make beautiful toys like the ones from which you used to play in your childhood, the small ones, a kitchen of mud, and there were different sort of things. Bangles that your mummy might be having, jewelry and decorative item that we keep on putting on our shelves because it's bright in color and it looks very nice. It is also famous for its block prints, bandhani or tie-dye prints on saris, bed sheets and odhnis. And I suppose many of your mummies, they might be having these kinds of saris or maybe dupatta or bedsheet, any of the items. And still, if you have not seen these things, I'll be uploading a pic also so that you can get an idea about the bandhani print, or you can Google it also. Festivals. Teej and Gangaur are the main festival of Rajasthan. In Teej festival, women fast for their husbands. In Gangaur as well, the unmarried women as well as the married one, they fast for their family life and for their husbands. Dress, like we wear different clothes over here, the people of Rajasthan also, they have a particular way of dressing up. They like bright colors and have lot of mirror work and embroidery. The traditional dress of women in Rajasthan is lehenga, that looks just like a skirt, choli, and odhni. Odhni means dupatta, from which they cover their head. The traditional dress of men is angrakha, dhoti and pagdi. You must have seen in Mahotsav where people are dancing in a circle. They wear some different sort of clothes and looks very beautiful. And we'll continue the other portions of the chapter in our next class. I hope you all will go through the chapter and underline the difficult words and get more information that is based on the chapter.